Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you this super simple tie to Obi belt refashion. Now there's tons of ways to make Obi belts, but I'm just going to show you a really simple way that I make mine. Okay, first you need two kind of coordinating ties, and you want them to be a little bit puffy. Not all ties are created equal. Some of them are thin and flimsy, and you want these to have like more stability to them. So first you're going to measure from the tip of the tie back 20 inches. Once you've measured and marked both ties, now is the kind of fun part. You get to decide which print you want to be on the front and which you want to be on the back. So you can kind of put them out and see how you like them. I decided I liked that one on the front more. So I went ahead and I pinned the outside edges right there. See how I'm matching up the point to the other side, and I matched the outside edges to the other side. That's what you want to do. You just want to make sure the points are lined up evenly, and you're gonna kind of secure it on there with two pins. But this is where I do mine a little bit differently. I want mine to be a little bit contoured. So once I have them pinned in place, then I take and I kind of pull the center out just a little bit and make it a little bit more contoured and rounded. Once I have it all the way I want it, without any wrinkles or pulling weird, then I go ahead and I pin it in place. Once I'm satisfied with the way it looks, I go ahead and I take it to the sewing machine and I sew across the edge, down through the middle, down the other side. And this is just showing you how close I get to the edge of the tie. I sew right down the middle and I stay very close to the edge of the overlapping tie. Make sure and pull the pins out before I get there. And then when I get to the edge, I pivot the tie and then I sew down through the edge, making sure to back stitch really good because this is the part that's going to have the most stress on the tie. And there you have it, your belt's done, and now you have the perfect little accessory to add to a dress or jeans or a jumpsuit. It's a really fun little addition you can add to your wardrobe. For more DIY fashion inspo, you can follow me on Instagram at LiQWYD or my blog, LiQWYD.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.